Now I want to discuss the problems, MCQ problem on relations and functions. First of all, I will discuss the MCQ problem involving relation. My dear student, let us start. How will you solve the problem? Let number of elements in set A is equal to P, and number of elements in set B is equal to Q. Then number of relation from A to B is, there are 4 options. My dear student, number of relation from A to B is equal to number of subsets of A Cartesian product with B, and it will be 2 to the power P into Q. 2 to the power P into Q. So my dear student, in this way we can solve this problem, and A 1 is correct answer. Let n number of elements in set A is P. Number of relation on A is 2p squared, 2 to the power p, 2 to the power p plus 1, none of these. Number of relation on A is number of subsets of A Cartesian product with A, and it will be 2 to the power p square. So number of relation on A is 2 to the power p square. Option 1 is correct. Now problem number 3. Let A is equal to collection of elements having 1, 2, 3. The number of relation containing 1, 2 and 1, 3 which are reflexive and symmetric but not transitive is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. A Cartesian product of A will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements. So we take Cartesian product of A with A. So now question is the number of relation containing 1, 2 and 1, 3. 1, 2 and 1, 3. To make, first you write 1, 2 and 1, 3. To make R reflexive, 1 का इमेज 1 पर, 2 का इमेज 2 पर, 3 का इमेज 3 पर, तो शुड बी एडेड. ये सब को ऐड कर दिया. कौन कौन 1, 2, 1, 3 ये ऐड हो गया. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1. What is the smallest relation containing R? That is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Hence number of required on A is equal to 1. What do you observe? How many itna? So how many relation will form which is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive? This relation is reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Why it is not transitive? 2, 1, 3, 1. So now if you take 3, 3, 3, 1 is present. It will, if you take 2, 2, 2, 1 is present. But if you take 1, 2 and 1, 3, suppose 1, 2, 1, 2 is here and 1, 3 is here. So if you take 2n and 1, 3, then 2, 3. 2, 3 is not present here. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is not present here. So it will be not transitive. So this is the smallest relation which is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. You must write since 1, 3 belongs to R. and also 1 3 belongs to R, and 2 1 belongs to R, AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, but 2 3 does not belong to R. So it is not transitive. Hence, number of required, what required? So question is, then number of required relation. So number of required relation on A is. So number of required relation on A is 1. Now, problem number 4. So which option A is correct? You write option A is correct. My dear student, now I want to discuss problem number 4, which is in miscellaneous exercise on chapter 1. Let A is equal to collection of element 1, 2, 3. The number of equivalence relation containing 1, 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. The smallest equivalence relation containing 1, 2 is given by R1 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, n. 2, 1. So it is reflexive, symmetric, and also transitive. Now, another example. Construct the relation containing 1, 2, and 2, 1. So if you take universal relation, then what do you observe? We observe that it will reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So now, hence R2 is equivalence relation, which is also universal relation. Biggest equivalence relation. And now option B is correct. Option B is correct. Option B. B is correct. Yes. Problem number 5. Exercise 1.1. Let R be the relation in the set 1, 2, 3, 4 given by R is equal to collection of element 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. So choose the correct answer. R is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. So there are 4 options. My dear students, now see, R is equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. R is reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Symmetric, why? Because 1, 2 is present, but 2, 1 is not present. But 2, 1 is not present. So, my dear students, in this way you will solve the problem. Let R be the relation in the set N given by R is equal to collection of element A, B such that A is equal to B minus 2, B greater than 6. Choose the correct answer. My dear student, put the number which is greater than 6 is equal to 8. A is equal to B minus 2. A is equal to 8 minus 2. A is equal to 6. So, 6, 8 is the correct option. The set of real numbers. Let problem number 7. Let R be a relation in the set of real numbers is defined as R is a collection of element A, B such that A less than equal to B. Which one is correct? Reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Reflexive and symmetric but not transitive also. Reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. So my dear student, and none of these. See the problem. Given R is equal to set of all real numbers, collection of elements such that A belongs less than B and AB belongs R. Reflexive. Since A less than A is true, where A belongs to R. So A comma A is reflexive and it belongs to R. Symmetric, let AB belongs to R, where BA belongs to R. A less than equal to B, B not less than equal to A. For some AB belongs to R. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. We have AB belongs R. So we have 1, 2 does not belongs R. So R is not symmetric. Transitive, let AB belongs R and BC belongs R, where ABC belongs to R. A less than B and B less than C. That is A less than C. That is A less than C. So, which option is correct? Which option is correct? Here, A is correct. Option A is correct. A is correct option. A is correct option. So, we did not write. Yes, A is correct option. Here is A, reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. My dear student, now I want to discuss problem number 8. If R be a relation in the set R of a real number defined as AB, A less than square, A less than equal to B square, AB belongs R. Which one is correct? Neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Reflexive and symmetric, transitive and symmetric, none of these. Given R is collection of element of set of all real numbers. So R is equal to collection of element AB such that A less than equal to B square, AB belongs R. And now reflexive is, since A less than equal to A square is not true, for A is equal to 1 by 3, its image will not belongs to R. Let AB belongs R, where AB belongs R, A less than equal to B square. This implies B less than equal to A square. For some AB belongs R. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, AB belongs R. But BA belongs to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Now transitive. Let AB belongs R and BC belongs R, where AB belongs R. A less than equal to B square. And also B less than equal to C square. So A less than equal to C square for some ABC belongs to R. My dear student, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 1. And now, you may solve this problem by keeping the statement of result. Now I want to solve some more problems. Check whether the relation R on R defined as R is a collection of element AB such that A less than equal to B cube and AB belongs R. So there are 4 options here. Let R is equal to collection of element AB such that A less than equal to B cube, AB belongs R. Since A less than A cube is not defined, for some A belongs to R, A is equal to half. A does not belongs to R. So R is not reflexive relation. Now, symmetric. AB belongs R, where AB belongs R. A less than equal to B cube. B is not less than equal to A cube. For some, AB belongs R. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2. We have AB belongs to R, but BA does not belong to R. So R is not symmetric. My dear students, now I want to discuss, let AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, where ABC belongs to R. A less than equal to B cube, B less than equal to C cube, A less than equal to C cube, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 1 by 2. So now, we want to discuss. We have AB belongs R, BC belongs R, but AC doesn't belong to R. So R is not transitive. Hence, A is correct. कितना मिनट का? Now, my dear students, I hope you must watch the videos and solve the MCQ questions in pen and paper. This is most important tools. So whatever videos you have watched tomorrow, you take a fresh notes, and also you try to solve the problems. And in MCQ classes, you must give the answer on yourself. Thank you very much.